Hi, I'm Leela. I'm on work experience here at Jigsaw24, and I've been making a video on Adobe Premiere Pro about the marketing team.
I'm Simon, and I'm a graphic designer and videographer at Jigsaw24. That means that I create marketing for the company, and that could be bits of the website, printed brochures, leaflets, and also marketing videos that we put on YouTube and share on social media.
Hiya, my name's Connor Siddall. I'm the junior copywriter at Jigsaw24. I basically write the words behind banners, emails, and for the website. I also do articles, and my main vocation is the education sector.
Hi, I'm Liana and I'm a senior designer here at Jigsaw24. We do everything from print to web and emails, and part of my job is to make sure that our brand remains consistent and is presented well to the customer.
Overall, I've had a really exciting time seeing what the company's like. Thank you to the team for helping me out and showing me around.